Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. Today we're going to be unboxing, as you can see, this iPhone 8 that I purchased for $150. And we're going to take a look at it, what kind of condition phones that you can score some really good deals off this app called Mercari. If you guys don't know what Mercari, it's an app that lets anyone buy and sell anything that they have. So a lot of times you can find some really good deals such as phones on it. And we've been recently doing a lot of unboxing video for you guys if you guys want to go check those out. Also, if you guys want to join Mercari, there's a link in the description. Make sure you're on an Android or iOS device or anything that can download an app. Click on the links and then you'll get $30 towards your first purchase. You can also sell your own stuff, make some money off old stuff that you don't need anymore. And if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news, reviews, and giveaways. So stick around in this video. We're going to go over some of the ways you can score some really good deal on this app and how to stay safe, avoid getting scammed on the app as well. As I mentioned, I ordered this a couple days ago. It took about 3 or 4 days to come. Of course, these are amateur sellers, so it does take some time. And the thing about this app is really sociable, so you can talk with them, figure out when they're going to ship it out and things like that. As you can see, they send it out in this USPS envelope. Of course, it's a huge package, but the phone isn't that big. So we're going to go ahead and start unboxing here. And as you can see in the box, they included the original iPhone 8 box. This is the gold edition one. And if we take a look at it, we find the phone is indeed there. And then if we take a look at it, the only thing they included here was the phone, which the listing mentioned that they weren't going to include headphones or chargers. So you have to go buy it on your own if you're looking for that, which is fine. So we want to kind of take a look at the condition of the phone. As you can see, the back is pretty clean, no cracks or marks like that. And then if we look at the sides here, the bezels here look clean as well. As you can see here, we're kind of doing this live for you guys. And then if we take a look at the front glass screen, also no scratch or anything that's noticeable here. Looks good so far. So we're going to go ahead and power this device on. All right, as you can see, the device is currently powering on, which is a good indicator that the phone is good. Sometimes when you order a phone, if it doesn't power on, you might have to charge it, but looks like it does have charge. And the phone has been factory reset, so we're going to have to go through the setup process here and set it up. And we're going to go through this and do this quickly. And first thing you notice is you're going to have to connect to Wi-Fi or put your SIM card in to get data or connect it to iTunes. It looks like this phone has been updated to iOS 14. As you can see, the setup has changed slightly in terms of the graphics. So right now we're connecting to a demo Wi-Fi here that we have set up so that we can get through the setup process, hopefully without any issue. And right now, what it's doing is the phone is reaching out to the Apple server so that it can get activated. And as you can see, we're at the data and privacy screen. We're going to hit continue, touch ID later, and then the passcode. We're just going to go through all the basic stuff without really setting up, because you can set this up later. Same thing with app and data. We're not going to do any of that. As you can see, you can sign into your own Apple ID, so it's not iCloud locked. So one important tip on avoid getting scammed on this app is don't buy a phone that's activation lock or iCloud lock. That means someone's already signed in and you won't be able to sign out of their account unless you're the original owner that has the email and password. So you'll see a lot of cheap devices, especially iPhones, with that kind of stuff. Stay away from those, because most likely those are for people who know what they're dealing with, or people are buying for parts. So if you're not sure, if the seller doesn't mention about the iCloud link, you can always message the seller. Below, there's an option to message for more details. You can ask them, hey, is this phone signed out of iCloud, or is there activation lock? You want to make sure that there is no lock and it is signed out indeed. And as you guys can see, we're going through all the steps here with the initial step, and we got welcome to iPhone, and we are at the home screen of the iPhone, which is great for us, no issues whatsoever. And the things is that, you know, whenever you get a phone, you want to start testing out is the physical buttons to make sure that they're working. As you can see, I'm checking out the silent, on and off, the volume button, the power button, of course, and then the home button here, which all checks out fine. Then you want to check out the camera. You can see the back camera here is working. No issues there. And then the front camera, of course, works as well. So no issues with the camera. So, and then the way that you want to verify a phone is genuine, especially with the iPhones, is you want to open up App Store. Once you open up App Store, you'll get to this screen where it says, you know, welcome to the App Store or something like that. That means the phone is legit and you're at the App Store and you can download any app. If it takes you to some Android or Google Play Store, most likely that device is fake and you want to return it. So a couple of things about Mercari is that if you guys are browsing on this app, one thing you'll notice is that on this app, there's a lot of listing and you can message the seller. But before you buy anything, always make sure that you read the description to know what you're buying. Because in the description, the seller sometimes will list a lot of information. Sometimes they won't. If they don't give you enough description, go below and check out the seller's profile. If you go scroll all the way at the bottom, you'll see the seller's profile. And what you want to do is message them to kind of find out more detail. Also in the description, you'll see each seller and buyer has a rating. Never buy from a seller that does not have any rating. Most likely especially if they're selling an iPhone for some really good deal and they don't have any ratings, most likely a scam. I would stay away from them. Also, stay within the app. If you guys move out of the app, Mercari does not protect you at all. So at all times, if someone's saying they're going to give you some really good deal, you got to pay some other off-site app or some offline app that's not Mercari, stay away from those, because most likely you're not protected at all and they're looking to scam you and they won't send you the item. So those are a couple pointers whenever you guys are using the app. Also, whenever you guys are using the app, is that always kind of read through the seller's rating. You can click on a seller's profile at the bottom to see their rating. So those are a couple of things I wanted to share with you guys. Also, if you guys have any other questions on using the app, leave a comment in the comment section. And also make sure that you guys use the link in the description, or else you won't get the $30 towards your purchase. That's very important that you guys use it. And you can score some really good deals. But, you know, be careful about buying through the app because it's a little bit risky. So you have to really be sure. And the thing about this app is that once you purchase something, you have about 3 days to rate the seller, which means you verified that you got what you purchase. There is no more warranty or extended kind of return policy. So that's how this app works, unlike eBay and Amazon. So I recommend, if you guys are new to, you know, purchasing iPhones online, check out our other videos on Amazon and YouTube, where it's going to give you guys a better idea, because it gives you a 30 to 90 day return policy, which you definitely want if you guys are new to buying iPhone. So hopefully this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and see you guys next time.